Welcome back to Star Biker. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Honda Shine 100DX, a motorcycle designed for everyday commuting with reliability and efficiency at its core. Design and build. The Shine 100DX carries Honda's signature build quality. Its compact frame and ergonomic design make it ideal for city rides. The bike features a sleek fuel tank, comfortable seating, and durable body panels, giving it a balance of style and practicality. Engine and performance. Under the hood, it's powered by a 100 cubic centimeters engine optimized for fuel efficiency and smooth performance. The bike offers effortless acceleration for city traffic while maintaining excellent mileage, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commuting. Comfort and handling. The seating is designed for rider comfort, with a well-cushioned seat and balanced ergonomics. Its lightweight frame and responsive suspension make handling in traffic and on rough roads easy and stable. Features. The 2026 model comes with modern essentials: a digital analog instrument cluster, efficient braking system, and reliable tires for consistent grip. Maintenance is straightforward, keeping ownership hassle-free. Conclusion. Overall, the 2026 Honda Shine 100DX is a perfect commuter bike, combining reliability, efficiency, and comfort. For riders seeking an affordable, everyday motorcycle, this model stands out as a smart choice. If you want, I can also make 5 catchy YouTube title and description options for this video so it ranks better on searches. Do you want me to do that?